new Christchurch Northern Corridor will improve travel times to and from the north of the city. Winters Road becomes two separate, safer roads where the motorway passes over it. A subway under the motorway for pedestrians and cyclists will provide a new connection between the eastern and western sections of Winters Road. Drivers on Winters Road West can join the motorway by turning left and using the QEII Southern Interchange roundabouts. For safety, residents living on Winters Road East can only turn left in or left out onto QEII Drive. To head east, drive to the Southern Interchange roundabouts and then circle back onto QEII Drive. Residents heading home to Winters Road West from the city turn right at the Cranford Street roundabout and take the first off-ramp. We're building safer roads to connect people in northern Christchurch. For more information and other videos, visit our website.